In DaVinci Resolve, we can select multiple clips at once and then make changes to their parameter settings in the inspector, and then this change is going to get applied across the board to all the clips in the selection. However, if we already have a clip in the mix where we apply changes to the parameter settings, and in this case it's going to be the zoom parameter, and then if we go ahead and select all these clips, then what you will notice is that the inspector panel is going to tell us for the zoom parameter, there are just 2 dashes, almost telling us there are no values there whatsoever. So now in this case, to make changes, there are 2 ways to go about it. And the first method is relative adjustment, and this will also maintain the original offset of the video in the middle compared to all the other videos. And to do it, all we need to do is to hover over the 2 dashes and drag it left and right. So in this case, you will see that it's telling us we brought it down by minus 0.2, not brought it down to 0.2, but by minus 0.2, and it has a positive or negative sign telling you that it's a relative adjustment. So now if we look at every video in this selection, you will see that every other video has that same setting, but the one in the middle right here, you will see that it's much more zoomed out because it applied this relative adjustment on top of the change that we already made previously. So now if we look at all the other videos in this selection, you will see that they all are sitting right now at 0.8, but the one in the middle is sitting at 0.5. And the other method is to enter a specific value, but this will override the offset that the video in the middle has compared to the others. So to do it, we just need to double click the 2 dashes and enter a specific value that we want the setting to be. So in this case, you will see that every other video is going to be sitting at 0.8, which is really no change for them. But the video in the middle right here, you're going to see that it's also going to be sitting at 0.8. And it's going to look just like all the other videos that are in this selection because we have entered a specific value that overrides the original change that we made. Alright guys, let's go ahead and look at another example here. So for this same video in the middle right here, I'm going to make some changes to crop top and crop bottom. I'm going to bring them up to 100, and then once this is done, we're going to go ahead and select all these video clips once again, and you will notice the 2 dashes. And here the first thing we're going to do is to make relative adjustment. So once again, just hover over it and then drag the 2 dashes. In this case, I'm going to bring it up by 100, and same as the other setting, bring it up by 100. And now all these other videos in the selection is going to have their crop top, crop bottom settings sitting at 100, but the one in the middle right here is going to be actually sitting at 200. As you see that it's more actually cropped out compared to the other videos that are in the selection. Or we can simply enter a value into the 2 dashes. So in this case, for crop top and crop bottom, I'm going to enter 100 for both parameter settings. And now keep in mind guys, what this will do is to override the original offset that the video in the middle has compared to all the other videos. So you will see that right here, the video in the middle and every other video in the selection has the exact same crop top and crop bottom setting. Or as a last resort, you can always restore all the settings, bring them back to square one so that you have a clean slate to start with, and then make your changes to any settings, any parameter settings that you want. It's going to get applied consistently to all the videos in the selection. Okay guys, I hope this helps, and I will see you next time.